Hi guys, so for this video I will be trying the Flexy perm rods on my natural hair. My hair has been already washed and blow dried and straightened, and then I'm gonna use the Flexy rod to curl it and see the results that we will get. So come with me and help me set up this hair with the perm rods right now. So the only thing I have in my hair is some, them old school Blue Magic hair oil. I haven't applied anything else to it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and Flexy rod it. So let us begin. And guys, it's my first time. It is my first time doing this, so I am very eager to see the results from this, and the fact that I am not putting any other product in my hair really. I'm just using the Flexy rods to see how it will come out. So guys, there you have it, we're done, and all I'm gonna do is sleep on this until tomorrow. I may go under the cap dryer just to add a little heat so curls can hold a little more. I'm not sure yet, but if I do, I will definitely add it into the video, and I can't wait to see the results. I hope you can't wait as well. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the next day. And before I loose out the curls, I want you guys to know that I went and sprayed some of this coconut and the Monoi water curl refresher just to add a little liquid so the curls could keep a little more. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking down my curls. So this is it guys, and remember that the only thing that I had put in it is the old time Blue Magic. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the curls a little. Remember that the only thing I added to this is some Blue Magic hair oil. I'm gonna make sure to show you guys Everybody in Jamaica supposed to know supposed to know Blue Magic. I have nothing else in it but some Blue Magic. Old style, old school Blue Magic hair oil. So this is the Blue Magic hair oil I'm talking about. Old time, old school Blue Magic hair oil. So you guys cannot see I'm coming on here with a lot of expensive things to get your hair looking this way. The only thing you need is a blow dryer, a flat iron if you want to flat it out before you curl it up, and then you just curl it up with the Flexy rod.
There you have it, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and we'll definitely be back next week with more videos.